Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein, the trading director at 10-Minute Trades, and I want to do something different for this week's Trade of the Week. I'm combining a couple of bond reports, or bond auctions as we like to call them, because Eric and myself traded two of them one day apart. We had the 10-year auction on Wednesday, the 30-year auction on Thursday. I traded the 10-year by myself, but on Thursday, Eric traded the 30-year and I traded the 30-year also. All the combination, really good trading all week. Let me show you what happened and you'll understand why I'm calling the bond auctions the trade of the week this week. The 10-year auction has been the best trading bond auction of all three. We've got the 10, the 30, and the 7-year. According to the DMM, which we trust completely, the 6-month results were very, very good on the 10-year auction. So I got my charts ready, and you know how it works. Our little X's are the orders. I was trading live real money, trading ZB. Two targets, 2 ticks and 6 ticks. And you can see it took about 33 seconds for the auction to affect the ZB. The price exploded down. And there's a good lesson here also. Instead of rushing to protect my profit, because of the type of move that we had, it was a big explosion. Watch it again. It was exploded very hard to the downside. And I didn't need to rush, okay, to move my stop and protect all the money, because we know from all of the times we trade these over the years that when you get that big explosion with a very large candle, it's probably going to keep following through to the downside. So the lesson again is patience. If I would have been a little bit more patient, I could have grabbed a couple of more ticks of profit. And that's significant when you're talking about the 30-year bond, because that's $31.25 a tick. So 2 ticks is 60 bucks. It's an easy couple of dollars. Anyway, we made $218.75. That was on the 10-year auction. Another winner. It's been 6 out of 7, I believe, on the DMM. And here's a nice screenshot. You can see the profit, live real money, nice explosion down in the candle, and it hit both my targets. On Wednesday, we had our challenge trading, and our challenge members were in the trade room. We were doing the 30-year bond auction, and you could see the price is in between our brackets, and 20 seconds after we put our orders on the chart, we got a nice explosion down, and boom, it hits both targets. I didn't move my stop very much, just protected profit. So it was a very quick and easy $250. I'll show it to you one more time, because these bond auctions have been fast. I find that when we have bond auctions, when the Fed is speaking that week, anecdotally, there seems to be good moves in the bond auctions. So it's something to keep in mind, and we'll try to take a closer look at that. But a good explosion to the downside. I always protect my first 2 ticks of profit, and then the price explodes down and hits both my targets, the second target, for an easy and quick $250 profit. And the nice screenshot of the profit. You know, we like to prove that we really took these trades live. You could see my account number, and you can see profit in the NinjaTrader chart trader. Now, the reason I made the bond auctions the trade of the week is because also Eric was trading in his office at the same time that I was trading the 30-year bonds, and he hit both his targets also, $250 profit. So we had 3 auctions, really 2, but Eric and I were trading the 30 at the same time, and I had a really sweet profit of $718.75. So I thought to myself, you know, they trade very similarly. The technique for trading both auctions is the same, and I just thought it would be fun to show you all of the profits we made on the 2 reports. A really nice profit, over $700, and you could see the screens. And let me show you Eric's live trade on the auction as well. Eric uses Loom as a recording tool. It's a great free recording tool. So here we go. There's the brackets. The news is going to come out in a couple of seconds, and it's going to explode and hit both his targets to the downside for a very fast $250. Here it goes, bingo. So a total of $718.75. That's why I'm making the bond auctions the trade of the week. This is Leigh Goldstein, the trading director at 10-Minute Trades. Definitely make your way into the trade room and learn to trade the reports that are working well. See you soon.